Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Cryptocurrency group pro charts. How's everybody? I hope you guys doing pretty good. Let's look at the S&P, and we're going all the way back here, beginning of time in October 2022. October 2022. This is where the rally all started for the S&P 500. Way back here, ever since here, you can see S&P founded support $3,561.06. Found support, took off over here, folks. Took off. S&P was on the bull run. You can see this upper trend line had a little resistance here back then. Came down, found support, got enough momentum to break through it, and it came back down to retest this trend line as support now, and shot up, and you can see, so from this point here, it shot all the way up, found resistance right at $4,584, and that's where October 2023 it came crashing down, but found support right here in October, end of October 2023. Found support here, and that's the same support it found back here in 2022, October. So this happened in October, found support at this trend line, and a year later, in October, it found the same support line right here. So this trend line is a positive, strong support line for the S&P 500. And you can see where a year later it retested, and then from that test there, it took off. Took all the way off to $5,256 in April of 2024. 2024. What a rally this was. What a rally it had. Had a double top up here, right around $5,256. Came down, retested $4,955 for support. Got the great bounce off it. You see, found support, nice bounce. This one here, retested, found support, and shot up. Blew through this. Well, it consolidated here a little bit, then retested here at $5,395, and then shot up all the way up into this resistance line. And this was July 2024. Came down, found support right here. August 6, 2024. And you can see from ever since I found support here, October 6, 2024, it just shot all the way up. It shot. Then this one right here was November 5th. November 1st, where the rally came. You can see it came all the way up at resistance at $6,000. $6,000 made all-time highs there. $6,000. So S&P been on this bull run for a long time, for years now. 2023, end of October 2023, and we're in 2025. Test this support level for the first time, new trend, found support, bounced back up, had support here at 5,712. You see where we broke the trend line here, shot up to new highs, roughly at $6,042. Came back down, and we're on this green dotted line here where we tested back in August. And now we're retesting this line right here. January 2nd, retested January 2nd. We have a double bottom right here, double bottom just like we did over here, a double bottom, and we shot up from this double bottom. Let's see, almost 9% we shot up. So now the thing is, since we're retesting the same trend line over here, can we get another bounce? If we get another rally up, we're looking for S&P to be $6,357, and we could move up another 8% up, like we did over here in this rally here. We moved up to 8%. Since we're testing the same, well, this one here had a double bottom on this trend line. This one here doesn't have just, it's retesting it, but if we could shoot back up, we could possibly hit new highs at $6,357. But it's not the same layout as this. You can see that this double bottom, we're testing this support line. You got a double bottom right here, and it shot up. Let's see what this was. So we had a 5% gain on this double bottom, but this double bottom is not the same. But let's just see what happens. So we'll be just above this red line at $6,160. If that plays out, does it break this resistance, starts climbing to the all-time highs at $6,125, make new time highs, or does it find resistance at $6,092, like it did here several times? Couldn't blow through this several times, holding as resistance. So this is the area to watch. S&P is in a crucial area. If we hit this upper trend line and start falling down, this could determine the reversal. The bull run's over with. The long time bull run S&P had will be over. If we could break through this, we need to break $6,092. And we hit this for another time as a resistance, we could see it coming down. Well, that's my projection on the S&P of the stock market. But it did have a nice bull run. I mean, a nice run. Let's say the whole year from October, over a year. This one here's a nice bull run up, over a year bull run. But we want to start all the way back here. You know, a couple years that the market been going up. So S&P outperformed and did a great job. But now the fear is going to come into the market with the new changes happening in a few weeks. So I believe the fear will be in the market, and the real test will be, can S&P break through this trend line and get through $6,092 and some change? Can it break through that and hit all-time new highs at $6,125? We'll see, folks, in a few weeks. Please hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and give me a thumbs up.